Hello student, in this video we talk about how to use AR stickers video effects in Filmora 13, right? So open your Filmora software and then import your video clips, right? After importing your video clips, then click on the effects, and in effects then click on the video effects and then search the AR stickers, right? And click on it. After it, choose your favorite AR stickers, right? So I choose my favorite stickers, the sunglasses, right? So I choose the sunglasses, right? I have already downloaded. So the sunglasses is here, heart eyes. Oh sorry, it is a heart eyes, not the sunglasses. The sunglasses is here, but I want to choose the black sun eyes. So I click on this sunglasses, right? And then drag and drop here, right? And now I play my video, right? So the sunglasses is applied, right? First I select it, and from here you also disable the sunglasses, right? And now I choose that red football helmet. So I drag and drop, and now the green football helmet, drag and drop. So the eyeglasses is here, right? So we drag and drop this eyeglasses, right? And scale it, right? Now I render my video for smooth playback, right? So my video is rendered, right? Now I play my video. So in this video we learn how to use the AR stickers in our videos, right? Thanks for watching.